everyone. My name is Avery and I'm coming to you from Big White Ski Resort in beautiful British Columbia, Canada. As Canada's favorite family resort, we're always investing and expanding to show you a good time. Last year, we spent $3 million building a brand new lift-assisted downhill mountain bike park, Bike Big White. And this year, we're spending $10 million in summer and winter resort development. Curious to find out what we're up to? I'm here to explain. First, I'll start with the most exciting news, the announcement of our new powder chair. This summer, we're spending $10 million on improved infrastructure, village developments, new bike trails, and so much more to show you a good time. And $3.9 million of that investment is going to be going towards the new powder chair. I'd like to introduce you to my friend, Boe Burt, or Bobo as he's more playfully named, one of our lead millwrights who's been working on our lifts, just like Powder Chair, for the last 26 seasons. So Bobo, can you tell me a little bit of the history of Powder Chair?
Sure. The lift originally went in 1979. It's a Mueller triple chair. At the time, most of this area was non-accessible, and the runs were not cut. So in '79, cut the new runs, installed the chair, and that was just one step closer in us getting towards the Westridge or the Gem Lake area. All
right, Bobo, can you tell me a little bit about the new powder chair, which I hear is going to be a fixed grip chair as opposed to an express lift? Can you talk to me about the benefits of that?
The benefits of that in a pod this size, the trip time, if it was an express lift, would only be a minute to a minute and a half quicker. At the end of the day though, we're moving the same amount of people. We're moving 4 people every 6 seconds, which is also what you would do with an express lift. And the new powder chair will be a 4-passenger fixed grip Leitner Poma quad chair. It'll have a capacity of 2,400 an hour, and they'll be riding on 136 chairs. And part of the new chair will be a realignment of it. The bottom of the chair will be slightly towards Powder Gulch as opposed to where the old powder chair is, and unload a little bit higher on the knoll above the unload. So it'll be far easier, especially early season, for everyone to enjoy that terrain and head towards the Westridge.
Big White has been a Canadian-owned and family-operated business for over 50 years, and we will continue to prioritize investing in infrastructure to enhance our guest experience, staying true to our name as Canada's favorite family resort. Thank you to everyone who continues to return year after year and weekend after weekend to experience the magic of Big White. It's your unwavering love and support in our brand that allows us to grow and allows us to give back. Thank you for watching.